Hello my dear students, I hope all of you are doing well. I am your computer teacher. In this video, I will discuss the third lesson of class 5. So the lesson name is Insert Features of MS Word 2007. Here are some more features of MS Word 2007 are given. Open page number 28. So let us start. In the previous chapter, we have learn how to insert tables, pictures, clippers, cover pages, etc. and enhance them and make presentations. So in this chapter, we will learn how to insert shapes, smart art, header, footer, text and symbols and many other features of MS Word 2007. So let us start. Shapes. You can insert a variety of shapes to your document, such as arrows, callouts, squares, stars, flowcharts, symbols and much more. We can insert many shapes to our document like arrows, callouts, squares, stars, flowcharts, symbols, etc. So insert shape. To insert shape, we have to follow these steps. Next, open page number 29. Change shape style. There are variety of styles and effects that can be added to a shape. So, many variety of styles and effects we can add to a shape. We have to follow these steps to change the style and give styles and effects to a shape. Change the shape fill color. You can change the shape fill color to a color of your choice. With a color of your choice, we can change the shape fill color of a color of our choice. To do so, we have to follow this step given here. Change shape outline. We can also change the shape outline. To change the shape outline, we have to follow these steps. We can change to a different shape. We can change the shape to a different shape also. Change shadow effects. We can give shadow effects to a shape also, like this. Select shadow color from a menu and choose a color from a plate to change the color of the shadow of your choice of your shape. You can also give a color to the shadow of a shape by selecting the shadow color option. Change 3D shape effects. We can also give 3D effects to our shape. After you have to do so, we have to follow these steps. After you have chosen a 3D effect, you can also change some other elements of your shape, such as the color, depth, direction, lightening and surface of the 3D effect on your shape. After giving a 3D effect to a shape, we can also change the color, depth, direction, lightening and surface of the 3D effect on the shape. This can change the way the shape looks. So, this can change the look of the shape. Next, page number 31. You cannot add a 3D effect to all the shapes. We cannot add 3D effects to all the shapes. For example, shapes such as can, cube, smiley, folded corner cannot have a 3D effect. So, for example, shapes like can, cube, smiley, folded corner shapes cannot be, we cannot add 3D effects to these shapes. Next, Smart art. Smart art illustrates information rather than simply using text. Smart art is used for to illustrate some information rather than simply giving text. Illustrations make an impact to the document and smart art makes using graphics especially easy. So, giving illustration to a text give more impact, better impact to a document. Smart art makes a graphics makes using graphics more easy. Insert a smart art illustration. To insert a smart art, we have to follow these steps given here. Next, add text to a smart art graphic. We can also add text to a smart art graphic. We have to follow the given steps here to add text to a smart art graphic. After inserting text to a smart art graphic, we can see that the text you enter automatically resizes to fit inside the box. We can see that the text we have entered automatically resizes to fit into the box, fit into these boxes. Next, charts. The chart option in MS Word inserts a chart to illustrate and compare data. The chart option in MS Word is used to insert charts to compare data and illustrate it. Charts help to show comparisons and understand the meaning behind numbers. Charts helps us to compare and understand the meaning behind behind the numbers of a data. To insert charts, we should follow the steps given here. You have to follow the steps on the page number 33. These are different types of charts like column chart, line chart, pie chart, bar chart, area chart, XY scatter chart, stock chart, surface chart, donut chart, bubble chart and radar chart. These are the different types of charts. We can make a chart with the help of the data given in a table. So this was much for today. I hope all of you have understand. Thank you.